Question is x square log x whole square dx. Now this is the first function, this is the second function. Is it clear? Now integrating by parts. What we are having now? First function is log x. Now log x whole square as it is, integration of x square dx minus integration d by dx of log x whole square, integration of x square dx with dx. Is it clear? Now this becomes x raised to power 3 upon 3 log x whole square. Integration of x square is what? X cube upon 3 minus integration 2 log x into 1 upon x. Derivative for log x whole square is what? 2 log x, then derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x, with integration of x square is x cube upon 3 dx. Now this becomes x cube upon 3 log x whole square minus 2 upon 3 integration of x square log x dx. Is it clear? 1x and 1x cancels, so we are left with x square log x dx. Now again this becomes second function and this becomes first function. Okay, so we are having now x cube upon 3 log x whole square minus 2 upon 3. Now log x as it is, integration of x square dx minus integration d by dx of log x, integration of x square dx dx. X cube upon 3 log x whole square minus now 2 upon 3 integration of x square is what? X cube. X cube upon 3 with log x plus 2 by 3 integration of 1 upon x with x cube upon 3 dx. Is it clear? So now we are having integration of now x cube upon 3 log x whole square, one term, minus 2 upon 9 x cube log x, log x minus 2 upon 9 x cube, 2 upon 9 x cube log x, plus now 1 x and x cancels, plus 2 by 9 integration of x square dx, x cube upon 3 log x whole square minus 2 upon 9 x cube log x plus 2 upon 27 x cube plus c. Is it clear? So this is what? This is the answer.